Since first flying in 1954, the C-130 Hercules has demonstrated amazing versatility operating in all sorts of environments. One of the most astonishing feats occurred in October 1963 when the US Navy dared to land this large aircraft on an aircraft carrier. Let's look at the details of this achievement for today's video. This achievement took place in the tumultuous waters of the North Atlantic, 500 miles off the coast of Boston. The Navy's Chief of Operations had ordered a feasibility study on using the C-130 Hercules as a Super COD or Carrier On-Board Delivery aircraft. At the time, the Grumman C-1 Trader, a twin-engine piston aircraft with limited payload capacity and range, filled this role. However, it fell short in terms of payload capacity and range, particularly when an aircraft carrier operated far from land. The C-130, with its stability, reliability, extended range and substantial payload capacity, appeared to be a viable alternative. Loaned from the US Marines, a Hercules underwent minor modifications by Lockheed to prepare for the test. This included installing a smaller nose landing gear orifice, an improved anti-skid braking system, and the removal of underwing refueling pods. The main concern was whether the aircraft could meet the maximum sink rate of 9 feet per second, and ultimately it exceeded this requirement by a significant margin. The modifications, combined with the skill of the crew, was the recipe for success. The initial landings took place in a formidable 40-knot wind. The crew achieved 29 touch-and-go landings, 21 unarrested full-stop landings, and 21 unassisted takeoffs, all while varying the aircraft's gross weight between 85,000 pounds and 121,000 pounds. Remarkably, even at the lower end of this weight range, the KC-130F came to a complete stop within 267 feet, roughly twice the aircraft's wingspan. When fully loaded, it required a mere 745 feet for takeoff and 460 feet for landing roll. Lockheed's chief engineer was present to observe the testing and vividly recalled the rough seas that day. He watched as the carrier's bow surged up and down by approximately 30 feet, accentuating the challenge of landing. The ship increased its speed by 10 knots to reduce yaw motion and relative wind speed, ensuring that the aircraft faced a 40 to 50 knot headwind during landing. As the C-130 touched down and came to a halt right opposite the captain's bridge for the first time, cheers and laughter erupted among the crew. From the extensive test data gathered during these trials, the Navy concluded that the C-130 Hercules could transport 25,000 pounds of cargo over a distance of 2,500 miles and successfully land it on an aircraft carrier. However, despite its demonstrated capability, the Navy ultimately opted to use a smaller COD aircraft. Did you know about this achievement? Let us know in the comments below. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.